You.
Who cares?
Shut up. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a family favorite in this house, well except for, you know who, the producer.
What?
Pussy. I won't try anything. I'm going to make a pasta salad with spaghetti noodles. So we call it spaghetti salad. I'm going to give kudos to one of my lifelong friends, Melanie Rizzo, Breckenridge now. That this was her mom's recipe. She brought to a party, I think, when we were like in 7th or 8th grade. And our whole family has been making this ever since. So I have 16 ounces of boiled spaghetti noodles. And I kind of do it in layers the way I do it. And then, so here I have a cup of red onion, a cup of chopped celery, half a cup of...
You should only block it with your hand.
Oh, green bell pepper. And then the seasonings I have right here is a teaspoon of garlic. What? The seasonings I have are. What did I say? Is? Sorry. I'm tired. I just got back from a long girls' weekend in Lake Havasu. We had a blast.
Yeah, you drank a lot too.
4 sets of sisters were there, and 3 of our lifelong friends. How many people is that? Real quick, come on.
4 times 2?
4 sets of sisters and 3 lifelong friends. Come on.
11.
Yeah, it took you a minute. Half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salad supreme. That's kind of the magic. So I'm just gonna combine these.
Probably should have said 4 pairs of sisters as opposed to sets.
Right, a set is 2, asshole.
Is it?
Yeah. A set. A salt and pepper shaker is a set.
I'm gonna set your ass down on the couch right now. On the floor.
So by the layers, I kind of just go like this and sprinkle this in the middle. And I do it this way so everything gets kind of evenly distributed, but really in the long run, the vegetables kind of end up at the bottom. I don't know how to avoid that. But it is so easy. And like, you know, with any pasta salad, you can put in whatever veggies your family and you like. Mine's just kind of picky, so I gotta stick with the basics. Sorry. We have a child here today, and we're trying to keep her quiet, okay? So, and then we need the starch so it sticks to the Italian dressing, but sorry, we had a little technical difficulty. So we're back. I'm doing the next layer, just kind of the same thing. I'm just repeating layers. And like I was saying before, you can add in whatever vegetables you like. And I put in the salad dressing each layer too, but one thing I will say is that when I serve it, the noodles soak up the Italian dressing, so I always put like a little dressing next to it so people can put more dressing at their own will.
Okay.
What?
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 What did you say I don't say? Okay, we're back. After all is said and done, this is how your salad will look. It's so refreshing and it's so good. Are you going to taste test it or is Eric going to taste test it? It's Italian dressing, so you're preparing yourself for that, right?
Just let's go.
I mean, you're such a freak. I got to warn you about these things.
Oh, I should.
What? Maybe I'll give you a bunch of every little thing. You want a little bit more dressing just to make it a little bit more. Face the camera and squat down because you're too tall out of frame mostly.
You come back here and look.
Want me to prep it for you? Eric, come on, explain to your brother how to eat this salad.
Here we go.
Can you see him in the frame? Okay.
Happy?
Yeah. Oh.
We've got 32 years. I'm not trying it. That's good.
Okay, middle brother's gonna try it. Face the camera.
Eat shit.
Hey. How was it? Don't hit me.
Don't hit me.
He's gonna right now when this ends, he's gonna say, bring me a bowl of that.
Who?
You.
Who cares?
Shut up. This is a great side dish. Are you trying it too now? Okay. It's a great side dish. Next week I'm gonna make blackened chicken. Like I cut them in strips and I make them in the pan. It's gonna be good. But this is my spaghetti salad. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. TikTok viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You guys are great on TikTok. We need you on YouTube. Don't forget to check out the press conference, In the Clinch. And I think that's it for right now. Thank you for joining us. Have a great week.